Matt, it's going to be one of the most pleasing results for you. Obviously, second half, all 4 goals came. What do you make of the game overall?
Yeah, I think it's the best performance I think we've seen this season, and then the results of match. I think we're fully deserving of the result. Just every single player really just stepped up to the plate and just performed. And it's been coming. It has been coming. We've been on this little run now, and then today, just feel that the performance for 90 minutes. Possibly one of the only times this season we've got a full 90-minute performance, and that's what's really pleasing. And the togetherness and just the way that we're playing is just I just enjoyed it. I enjoyed it from the first minute to the last. So yeah, a really good afternoon.
Second game in a row where second half was obviously much better than the first half. What did you say to them at the half-time break?
I thought we were decent first half. Unlike last week where I thought we were sluggish, I thought we were good first half. We just lacked a goal. I said to them at half-time, the only thing we're missing here is a goal. Be patient. We've had a couple of chances from corners first half. Fonz had a shot, we had a few sniffs, and I kind of felt that if we got the goal, we could really get a foothold in the game, and that's what happened.
The Penrhyncoch aren't a team to be difficult about either. They're ahead of us in the league still. What do you make of their performance, and are you proud of the lads for getting past them?
Yeah, it's what we expected from a Penrhyncoch side. They are difficult to break down. They are hard working. They've got a good togetherness, and we knew that's what we were going to expect. That's why 0-0 half time. Yeah, kind of expected that and was okay with that. But I just think we just the wave after wave of attack in the end it told, and it was just good to see our quality shining through.
So you mentioned before the game, obviously Aaron had to wait a lot to get in the team last week. Now Fonz is in the same, taking his chance. Is that a message for everyone, like you said before the game?
Of course it is. It's a message for everybody that, you know, you will get your chance, but to get your chance you've got to train hard, you've got to be patient, you've got to work, and that's what those lads have done. So Aaron's waited, come in last week and scored 2. Fonz has had to be patient, has come in today and he scored. So the message is, you might not be in the starting 11, but there's a way for you to get in, and that is by graft and having the right attitude, which those lads have had, and they're getting the rewards for it now.
Got a few away games coming up now. Was it the perfect time to go on a 4-game run or going into these away games?
Yeah, you always take going on a run at any time, but we have got some tough games coming up now, and like you say, we've got to go to some really difficult places, but we go there now with momentum and on the back of what's been a very good performance. So the plan now is, again, we work hard this week and we keep it going.
That's all, Martin.
Thank you.